I should start my own business now. But am I ready to take that leap? What if I fail? But wait, what if I actually succeed? If these thoughts ever cross your mind, then this video is your wake-up call. Because the truth is, entrepreneurship doesn't come with an invitation. It comes with sign. And if you recognize yourself today in any of these signs that we are about to discuss, then it's time to stop waiting and start building your future. Hi, I am Simi from Bosswala. Dream doesn't work unless you do. Chase them, fight for them, and make them your reality. Be a daydream believer. And today I'm here to help you understand it's time to be your own boss. Be the hero of your story. But wait, how do you know that the universe is actually giving you a sign to start your own business? But before that, if you're new here, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any video from Bosswala. And if you are already part of our family, welcome back. So what are the common signs that indicates you to be your own boss? Number one, you have an idea and you can't stop thinking about it. Some people dream of success. Entrepreneurs build it. If you have an idea that excites you, one that fills a gap in the market, then what's stopping you? Take Kunal Shah for an example. Kunal Shah, the founder of Cred, he saw inefficiencies in India's credit system and created a business that rewards responsible credit card users. Today, Cred is one of India's top fintech startups. Ideas are not meant to be locked away in your mind. If yours keep you awake at night, it's time to act. Sign number two, job offer doesn't excite you. You're getting offers, salary is decent, benefits are nice, but something inside you says, this isn't the one. This is not something I was looking for. Think of Baiju Ravindran, who left a comfortable job as an engineer to start an educational revolution with Byju's. His passion for teaching led him to create India's largest educational tech platform. If every job feels like cage instead of an opportunity, then it's time to create your own path. Sign number three, you are a woman returning to work after a break. Many women take career break for family reasons. But when they return, the job market has moved on without them. So instead of waiting for a company to give you a chance, why not create of your own? Falguni Nair, the founder of Nykaa. She started her beauty empire at the age of 50 along with her husband after leaving a stable banking job, and today she is a millionaire. If company hesitate to hire you, hire yourself. They won't give you a seat on the table. Build your own table. And sign number four, lost your job to AI or industry changes? I know AI is reshaping industry in an extraordinary pace, but history proves those who adapt not only survive, they win. Take cab drivers for example. When ride-sharing apps disrupted the industry, many lost jobs. But some pivoted, becoming fleet owners or starting their own rental services instead of waiting for an opportunity to come back. So why not evolve the change? The key isn't avoiding disruption. It's leveraging into your advantage. Sign number five, you work hard, but your package stays the same. You are the first one in and the last one out. You do more than expected, but your salary barely moves. For example, Vinita Singh. Vinita had a high-paying job offer, but chose to start Sugar Cosmetic instead. Today, she leads a multi-million-dollar brand. The difference? She was working hard, but now it's for herself. If you're already giving it your all, then why not challenge that effort into something that builds your future, not the employer's? Sign number six, your ideas keep getting ignored or stolen. You come up with great idea, but someone steals the credit. Or worse, they implement it without you. For example, Praful Bilor, also known as MBA Chaiwala, was dismissed by corporate job. So he started his own tea business, which grew into a national brand. If your ideas are valuable, own them yourself. Sign number seven, you have moved back to home, but you want to keep on growing. Maybe you built a career in a big city, But now life circumstances brings you home. That doesn't mean that you have to start all over. That means starting from zero again. Brands like Lenskart, Patanjali, they started in small cities and now they have become a big giants. If opportunity doesn't exist, create them. Sign number 8. You're comfortable with risk and uncertainty. Business is risky, but so is success. If you are someone who figure out things no matter what, then you have already built for it. Take Narayan Murthy, the co-founder of Infosys. Started with just a few lakh and turned Infosys into a global IT powerhouse. If you are ready to bet on yourself, big things can happen. Sign number 9. You want independence more than security. Some people are just not meant to work for others. If you value freedom over paychecks, a job will never satisfy you. Anand Mahindra could have simply managed his family's business, but he took risk and turned Mahindra and Mahindra into an international brand. So if you're ready to take the risk, maybe it's time. And lastly, sign number 10. You just know it's time. No logic, no statistics, just a feeling in your gut. You know, successful entrepreneurs don't wait for the time. They just start. If every part of you is screaming, now it's the time, then it's the time. Then maybe it's time to listen. There is a dialogue by Ranbir Kapoor from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सही वक्त पे कट लेना चाहिए, वरना गिले शिकवे होने लगते हैं. Like to reach somewhere, you need to leave something behind. And it's best to leave things at the right time. Otherwise, you are left with too many regrets and complaints. That's what following your dream is called. So starting a business isn't easy, but neither is regret. If you see any of these signs that we discussed today, then maybe the universe is trying to tell you something. Your future is in your hand. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and be your own boss. If this video resonates with you, don't forget to share with someone who really needs this. And for such more videos and advices and courses, follow Bosswala and download Bosswala app now. Bosswala helps you to learn practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-to-one video call. Not just that, Bosswala provides you with tools and resources to start, operate and grow your business. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.